Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to your MetaMask application account or even like account or whatever you want from Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application, click on it, get started to create your account, of course, and then follow this steps to create your account to start using the application. If you don't want to if you want to follow a tutorial, you'll find that tutorial on how to create your account on this channel. Just go check that out. So let's say as an example, you already have an account. Just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial step or steps. So here, that will actually be your home or your main screen. Let me just clear this notification because I really hate notifications. So as I said, that will actually be your home or your main screen. And if you want to actually send or transfer crypto to MetaMask, of course you would like first of all to own some assets. So as you can see, for me, I don't own any assets. So for you, if you have assets, just go to the home screen, click at the send option right here. Sorry. So from here, as you can see, you will find the assets that you own. So as you can see, for me, you don't have any accounts from which sending is allowed. So if you have some assets, of course, you'll find it right here. And all you need to do, just go to your MetaMask account. Of course, if you have it on your phone, if you have it on your browser, if you have like an extension, just go and copy your address from that. So when you do that, all you need to do, just go back here, just choose then the assets that you want to transfer. Of course, paste the address right here, enter the amount that you want to transfer, review your order, and you all need to do just submit it and you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.